Today, we're going to bring a face cover for your Quest 3. So your Meta Quest 3 device, if you have one, if you own one, and you don't want to, you started working out with it, you just want to make sure you cover your cloth with it because this is not replaceable or removable and you can't wash this part. So just be aware that just make sure that, that you cover this. So we bought the silicone cover here, if you guys can see that. All you got to do is wrap it around it. So I'm going to show you guys how it goes. So this is a perfect thing if you're going to lend it out. If you're, have companies in your house and they want to play your Quest 3, this is another way I can lend it out and don't have to worry about anybody adding some germs. Just make sure it just covers the whole entire thing, and then it's breathable too. So it has indentations here, here, and here, and that's pretty much it. We cover the whole thing. So we're going to put it back into the Quest. So let's go ahead and turn it on. First, it's a little cold in the beginning, but then you get the feeling that it's like very smooth. It's like more like a leather touch feel on it, and it feels good. And it's covering my entire nose, so you don't have that opening. It's entire everything's like well built for it. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.